Hey everyone, Ian here from PAM again. Today we're going to be showing you how we can do an event name takeover on the signage. So what we mean by that is, if you look at the directional content on here, we have different names of locations. But when you have an event going on, you can actually have the name taken over temporarily so that you can quickly edit that sign. Instead of having to go in and make a permanent change, we can make a temporary one. So you can see on these signs over here, we have American Airlines Plaza in this sign, as well as this sign here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the back end of PAM right now, and we're just going to open up our Experiences module. From here, you can upload all of your upcoming events. And again, let's say on the day of the event, you don't want to actually be directing people to American Airlines Plaza, but to the actual name of the event. So we're going to go down into here, and we have a jazz festival that we've created. So we've put a little bit of the content in already, but it's very simple to have that name taken over on the sign. First off, what we're going to do is make sure it's assigned to that location. So I'm just going to do a quick search here for American Airlines Plaza, make sure it's at that location. Next, we're going to turn on this toggle here where we want to override the location name on the signs. So I already have the event going from August 3rd, 2024 or 2023 to 2024. So I'm just going to have it say that it's running basically right now, but you can set it up for if you want it the day before the event, morning of, right as the event is starting. You can have it automatically scheduled to whenever you want that to go. Next, down here, we're going to choose the signs that we want to assign that to. So I'm going to assign it to these West Precinct signs. And then I'm also going to put it in this group called Champions Way. So there's a few signs within each of those, but some of them in the signs that we're showing. And then lastly, we want to assign it to the specific scene that we want. So for this case, we're going to put it on our everyday wayfinding scene, where it just might be a normal day like this, but you could have an event scene specifically for that you can assign it to. Say for instance, NFL game day, and you want it just assigned on those days when you assign that scene. You can go in there and hit that. And then we're going to hit save on here. And we'll go back over to our signs. And if you watch where it says that American Airlines Plaza, it's going to update that and now say Jazz Festival. So as people are coming to your district or campus, the event that they're looking for is actually on that sign. As soon as the event ends, depending upon what time you set it as, it'll automatically revert back to the original name, so you don't need to make a permanent change, but can quickly override that name for that event.